One of the best things you could do for a sustainable wardrobe is to take care of your clothes so they'll last longer. It helps you save money in the long run and also ensures you won't have to lose your favorite clothes to the ravages of time. Sometimes people think proper clothing care involves a lot of products or even expensive products, but there are a lot. You don't need that many products, and I'm going to tell you about 3 of the best eco-friendly things you need for taking care of your clothes. First up, stop using dryer sheets. They're not good for the environment or your clothes. What you could do instead is use these dryer dots, which are made of 100% wool, which is ethically sourced. They're chemical-free and they reduce both static and drying time. This last one is important because reducing drying time saves energy and is easier on the environment. And also, none of us have that much time to sit around waiting. I've personally found I can reduce my drying time from 60 to 40 minutes, which has helped a lot. These dryer dots are from Gleaner. They're completely reusable, so it's an affordable, one-time purchase which will help you for years to come. Second, you know those annoying pills on your sweaters? You can remove them with the help of this fabric shaver and lint remover. It doesn't require batteries, which saves you a lot of money right there, and it's also a multifunctional tool. See? Here's the lint remover, which is more sustainable than the lint rollers, and on the other side we have the fabric shaver end. There are 3 removable ends to deal with different kinds of fabrics, so you're ready to deal with your heavy sweaters as well as your lightweight ones. It also comes in a handy drawstring bag, so you could keep all of this stuff in one spot. There's also a travel version if you want something smaller, and it's called Gleaner on the Go. Another thing you could do to reduce pilling is to wash your sweaters inside out. It's a simple hack, but it helps them last longer because not only is there less pilling, but the colors will last longer. Also, and apparently this is controversial for some reason, wash your clothes in cool or cold water. Your clothes will thank you. Speaking of washing, this third product is a biodegradable no-rinse laundry soap, so you can clean your clothes and reduce your water usage at the same time. I like to use it for hand washing stuff. Just lay your clothes, soak in it for 15 minutes and hang to dry, and it's also washer machine friendly, so you could use it for regular laundry. I also find it useful for spot cleaning furniture since only a very little bit of water is required to get it into the fibers. So this one that I'm using, you can see I use it because it's like I need to buy another one soon. It's the scentless one, but there are 6 scents available if you prefer something else. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have the long-lasting, sustainable wardrobe you deserve, and that your favorites continue to make you happy for many years to come.